No be only me go see this one. Oh yeah, Mona consi. Watch.
They say Gehgeh don't mind.
In my own back, I know you wait for Kama. What's my name? I'm gonna say that again.
Like Gehgeh don't mind.
Days on a leaf day. On the road. Tell them to clear the road. We could do nothing stop. Too fun for do nothing stop.
Not let anybody deceive you. Social media not be real life.
All my DM just full. Say that boss Gehgeh is married. So that boss say something. No, what I want make I say? What do you want me to do about it? If I'm going to go marry, now you won't marry him. No, answer me. Do you want to marry him? When I tell him, I say all this are just content. Like this, I just want to talk. He don't marry now. And if you look where if you investigate more, that guy will move you to a woman.
Relationship of 12 years. Gehgeh. Gehgeh na fool. He betrayed all of us. Jesus Christ. Gehgeh in the chair. Gehgeh na idiot. Now who call you they tell me? Call you they call. This evening that the time doesn't Gehgeh don't marry.
Jesus, oh, hey, Jesus. I've been a dream, I did dream. I've been a AI. Ah, God. Hey, he. So you secretly go marry. You don't even invite your friends. Ah! Okay, you be think say we not go no. You forget say they know they hide, make fire. Winds don't blow, Gehgeh yansh don't open. Ah! Jesus. No be Gehgeh be this. When they advise young guys not to marry. Say marriage na financial mistake. Now you can't go marry.
Nigerians, I just dey wake up now. They hear say my brother don't marry, Gehgeh don't marry. Bros, you do marry, you know invite me. So now so you wicked. The wickedness when you really talk, so you real wicked. So you real wicked. True. You be wicked brother, abi? Bros. Gehgeh, you go marry. Me and you did the same place. You don't fit tell me say I won't do marriage or promotion. You know, invite me. None of your family members go the marriage. This marriage where you do so in a clear eye, you take do this marriage, bros. You do marriage, Gehgeh. We spare the cast on you. I go do marriage. Your younger brother no go dead there. Your family members, none of your family members go dead that place, Gehgeh.
Gehgeh don't go marry. 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 Professor, you marry. Professor, is that you? Professor, is that you? Professor, you marry. Professor, is that you? Gehgeh, so after destroying my life, you rush go marry. Gehgeh, you are a wicked man. The wicked man you be. Gehgeh don't go marry. Gehgeh don't go marry. Gehgeh, you lied to me. You lied to me.
Gehgeh definitely marry you. All of you now when they talk say that marriage na content. Not be content. I may be Gehgeh manager. I've known that boy since year 2008. Not be say at the vessel. I'm happy for him. I wish him happy married life. But I want bring something to notice. Last 3 years, I got married to a beautiful lady. Everything was green. This boy convinced me. I left that girl. The house we are living together. I leave the girl, leave the house for her. We leave the house. This boy from my back stabbed me. Go marry girl. You never even whisper my ear. I come online this evening say make I share with that online and they could see video for Insta blog and different places say Gehgeh don't marry my own artist. Today I cease to become Gehgeh's manager. I no manager boy again. That boy, that deceiver, he don't finish my life. Don't finish my life.
Don't let any girl deceive you go marry. Because you see where the world they go now, the world is becoming tougher and tougher every day. What is the benefit of marriage to a man? Nothing.
Marriage, men not benefit anything from. If I have not promised you marriage before, I'm sorry. I will not marry you. Please take it from me sincerely from my heart. You know that's the.
You won't marry, Abi? You go cry. You understand the reason why great men like us not remarry?
Gehgeh, I want to ask you. You mentioned, you say, make people not marry. What problem do you have with marriage?
I don't get.
I want you to calm down.
Okay.
Explain.
I don't get any particular problem with marriage, but you see, for the world of today, marriage is a scam.
Hey, let's marry. Make I marry so you go shit on me, Abi. Then when you don't shit on me, finish society will go say blame me.
Baby mama is a new way to go. Marriage is old-fashioned. Don't get married. If you care about your future, you care about your finances, don't get married. Women, they use marriage as a tool to destroy men.
The day you as a man decide to marry, the day as a man you decide to marry, just go buy your torch and your catapult, because you don't decide to turn yourself to security. Now to turn you go the guide up and down, you go the monitor to that's your new job as a married man in Nigeria.
Men should stop marriage because now it has the way women they use to they lure men into wasting their money.
Anything we concern people with they love, say two people they love. I don't watch my comments. Man, not involve me again because you Bella, you turn me to a mockery. Nigeria they look down with their poor people my face. Hey, Gehgeh, I'm not with the waka again. Anyway, when I waka they go, Gehgeh Bella is getting married. Now me pound then.
72 hours later.
Get ready. I want you to jump. Get ready.
She's off. And they never leave you. They have left you behind. Photo, not be juju be that. Hey, sorry, Christ of Nazareth. May God not allow them, make them kill you.
I don't care about you. No verse.
See, I wicked though. I wicked finish. Everything. See, I wicked. Now wickedness carry me reach this level.
How you observe life? Mike, how you check life? How you observe life? Life is brutal, bro.
Any day when I cash me, say Gehgeh marry. Bro, as usual, that woman use usual on me. Mona cash me well, hold me. Mona hold me, tie me, carry me go selections. Me the floor grace come off my head. That juju that woman use on me. They need to clear that juju come off from my eye. God say Adam, go into the world and multiply. Now instruction, no. They not tell Adam make go marry you. Any day when I cash me, say Gehgeh marry. Bro, as usual, they need to clear that juju come off from my eye. I don't be carry my clear eye and go marry. Not go love, bro. Not go love, bro. Not go love. Not try am. You know you do in life. Not make that mistake. Carry your heart. You know particular one. Hey, Gehgeh. I not deal with una again, no. I don't go. See, I don't go. I not deal with una again. I'm gone. Mentally, I not deal with una again. I dey on another realm, another frequency. Because some of the things, not me they will talk them. Like all the things when they talk, I'm not the one saying them. So I just be vessel. They are using me. I just be vessel. Anything wait on my head. Anything wait on my head. Bro, which kind of life are they live? Which kind of life are they live?